Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're diving into the world of Meta AI and how it can transform your WhatsApp experience. So, let's get started. Meta AI, also known as machine learning, is a powerful tool that can enhance your WhatsApp usage in a variety of ways. From improving chat efficiency to providing better search results, Meta AI can make your life easier and more productive. First up, let's talk about chat efficiency. Meta AI can help you keep track of your conversations by automatically organizing them into categories based on the topics discussed. This way, you can easily find the messages you need without having to scroll through endless threads. Another great feature of Meta AI is its ability to suggest responses based on the context of the conversation. This can save you time and effort, especially when you're in a hurry. Plus, it can help you avoid typos and other mistakes, making your messages more professional and error-free. Meta AI can also improve your search results within WhatsApp. It can learn your preferences and search history to provide you with more relevant and accurate results. This can save you time and frustration when you're trying to find a specific message or contact. Meta AI can also be used to improve the quality of voice and video calls. It can help reduce background noise and improve audio quality, making your conversations clearer and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about privacy. Meta AI can help protect your privacy by scanning messages for potential threats and phishing attempts. It can also help you manage your privacy settings, so you can choose who can see your profile picture, status, and other personal information. Finally, Meta AI can be used to enhance your WhatsApp experience by providing you with personalized recommendations. It can suggest contacts to add, groups to join, and even suggest emojis to use in your messages. So, there you have it, folks. Meta AI can truly transform your WhatsApp experience. It's a powerful tool that can make your life easier and more productive. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.